Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yulia Faradiba, and today I will explain about rules and hazard on chemical laboratory. So, let's see the video. Number 1. Read the chemical safety information. Before we start the experiment, we have to know all the information of the chemical. We can get all the information on the material data sheet or MSDS. Number 2. Dress appropriately for chemical laboratory. It is important because our clothing is one of our best forms of protection against an accident. For any chemical lab, we can wear covered shoes, long pants, and long sleeve clothes to protect our arms from chemical. Number 2. Use personal protective equipment. Personal protective equipment that we can use such as safety glasses, goggles, special gloves, and lab coats. Number 4. Don't eat or drink in the laboratory. Never store food or eat and drink in the laboratory, because eating and drinking in the lab is a form of distraction. If you are eating, you aren't concentrating on your work. Number 5. Don't taste or sniff chemicals. Tasting or smelling some chemicals can be dangerous or even deadly. The best way to know what's in the container is to label it. Always remember, this isn't cooking class, so never taste your experiment. Number 6. Leave experiment on the lab. Never take any experimental substance or chemical out the laboratory. It's important for our safety and safety of others. Number 7. Keep your work area and common work area steady. Always clean up spills immediately. If the spill is large of hazardous material, inform to your teacher immediately. Use spill mix to absorb solvent or caustic liquid. Next, I will explain about hazard on chemical laboratory. First, slippery floor. The first danger is slippery floor. Slippery floor are very dangerous when we're on the laboratory, because we can slip in and spill the chemical that we carry. Second, chemical hazard. When in the chemical laboratory, of course, we will face the chemical hazard. The chemical hazard include flammable, corrosive, and toxic materials. Flammable such as benzene, ethanol, methanol, toluene, and many more. The corrosive chemicals such as potassium hydroxide, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and calcium hydroxide. And the last is the toxic material such as hydrogen cyanide, resin, ammonia, and the carbon monoxide. Third, cuts the skin. It is one of the most common types of laboratory accident, usually caused by short of chemical equipment made of glass during the laboratory experiment. Fourth, electrical hazard. This is also dangerous of electric shock in the chemical laboratory. This is due to our negligence when using tools related to electricity, such as when we want to use an electric scale, make sure that your hands are dry when you want to plug them into an electrical outlet. I think that is enough. Thank you for your attention and bye-bye.